Hello, everyone. My name is William.
Hello everyone, my name is Kun Liu. Today we are going to talk about our database final project. It's called Yarowsky Movies. Welcome to Yarowsky Movies. Here we are actually in our login page, and let's get started and discover what's out there. I would like to use my lucky number 3 to log in as my user ID. Welcome to Yarowsky Movies again. I would like to have a brief introduction for our project. Here are our homepage, and we can actually search by movie ID, by movie title, and general search. And we also have a favorite list. User can add some movie to his favorite list. And we also have a recommendation list for user to recommend some movie uh, which are related to his favorite list.
Yeah, so awesome. Let's get started and let's do some demonstrations. So first, let's take a look at our movie ID, searching by movie ID. So if the user already knows what movie they're looking for, and in this case, let's say we want to take a look at Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, and we know that its movie ID is 408. We can enter it in and we can search and go. And here we have our result that we wanted, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. It shows up with its tagline and its movie ID. And so let's go back and let's search for some more movies using our under function. So our next function we're going to demonstrate is search by movie title. And so let's say we really like hero movies and we search up this keyword hero for the movie title. And let's go. Here we see all of our movies have the keyword hero in them. And on the side, we have the button to add to our favorite list. And so let's add a few movies to our favorite list. And so up on top, you can see we've added it successfully. If we click the button again, we can see that because it's already in our favorite list, it says up on top, that movie is already in our favorite list. And let's just add some more movies into our favorite list. Let's say we really like hero movies and we added a few hero movies. And so at this point, we can also go to the next page to see more results. This was a special feature of our database, pagination, in which we only put around 15 movies per page so that it's more manageable for the user. And you can scroll to the next page using the buttons down below. You can scroll to the previous page, you can go to the last page, and you can go back to the first page by scrolling down on the bottom using the first, previous, last, and next buttons. So let's go back and let's now take a look at our favorite list. Yes. Okay, so our favorite list now is great. We have 5 movies here, but let's say we didn't really want the second movie on there. Well, I have no idea what that movie is. So let's just get rid of it from our favorite list. So our database supports adding to your favorite list and deleting from your favorite list. And now we see that we have 4 movies that we've watched and each with their own zany tagline. And so after we've said we've watched these movies, let's say we want to discover some new movies. So we go back and we can click the recommendations tab in our database. And here we can see we are recommended a few movies. And so these movies are all done by recommendation score. So our Python program takes the tagline of our favorite movies and then compares it with the taglines of other movies in our database and returns a recommendation score. It is returned to the user by descending recommendation score. So at the top is the movie that is most similar to the movies you've watched. And so we think you're most likely to watch that. And so we recommend it using our algorithm. And so the recommendation, so let's say we want to, we decided that some of our movies in our favorite list, we didn't watch them at all, or we didn't like them at all. So we remove it. We remove the movies from our database. And so because our algorithm focuses on the tagline of the movie, this, now that we've changed our favorite list, our recommendation list will also be different. So let's go back and take a look at our recommendations list. And again, we see now that it's different. The recommendation scores are much higher because there's only one movie to really compare to. And we can see that a lot of the movies that recommend relate to some sort of hero. We have Nick Fury, Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. So again, superhero related movie, The Mask, another hero related movie, Hercules, another hero related movie, and so on. And now we will be going back to demonstrate some more advanced search functionality of our database.
Yeah, next I'm gonna to tell something about the general search function. And we can actually select the information we want to say. For example, we want to see the economy information, and we just click the economy, and keyword is war, and genre is action, and we can actually click the adult movie checkbox, but we don't. I don't want to select each as adult movies, so I cancel the click. And we can also tap the upper limit of movie runtime. Yeah, let's just tap the 110. Let's go. Yeah, here you can say the budget and the revenue are actually the economy information of our movie list. We want to show them, and we can also add to the favorite list. Then let's go back to show another function. Yeah, for the general search, we also want to maybe see the detail information of movie list. So we select the detail, and the keyword is the same as the previous. The word genre, action, and the adult movie, no adult movie, and 110 minutes runtime. Let's go. Right now, you can see the result. The movie ID and the title actually is the same as the previous result. But for this page, we just list the detailed information of our movie list, which is the tagline and genre. Yeah, let's go back and to find another one. Yeah, the last one is the rating information of our movie list. Yeah, let's go. As you can see, for the rating information, we are gonna to list the popularity and the vote average for these movies. So the user can actually see which one is more popular and which one is have a more vote average. So yeah, this is actually the rating information of our movie list. Yeah, let's get back.
And that pretty much concludes all of these functionalities that our database supports. We've gone over searching, the 3 search options that we offer with including advanced search. So technically a lot more search options, but yes, the 3 broad categories of searching: the favorite list, adding to our favorite list, deleting from our favorite list, and then recommendation list based on our favorite list. And so we've also demonstrated that our pagination of our database, splitting it up into different manageable pages and scrolling between pages so that it's nicer for the user to go between pages and search for movies. And so our current database is run locally off of our Macs. And so we have included all of the PHP files, Python files, CSS files, and the data files needed to recreate our database on another system. The attached instructions are in the brief user's guide is included in our phase 2 written submission. Thank you guys for watching.